Look, this brought a new clock. Look, here it is. It's a brand new bird clock we brought. So the other one is broken. So let's unbox this. We got today a new clock. I didn't know to get that thing, right? Yeah. Look. Special for the new year. Look, here it is. Look, this is what it looked like, and this is the new one. Okay, let's put the battery inside here, see what works. Go. Yep, it's working. Great. Let's put it now on the correct time. You got to move with this really careful. So let's see if the birds work too. Let's see. Let's see if the birds work with this. Let's see. Oh, huh? Huh? It makes the same sound! It made the same sound! It makes the same sound like the other. What the hell? I don't know. I got to remove this one also. Let's see. It sounds really weird. Okay.